The scope of psychology. The field of psychology is incredibly diverse, encompassing a wide range of subfields that delve into various aspects of human thought, emotion, and behavior. Here are some of the major subfields within psychology. Developmental psychology. This subfield charts human development across the lifespan, from conception to old age, examining physical, cognitive, social, and emotional changes. Social psychology. Social psychology explores how social influences, such as group dynamics, conformity, and social norms, impact individuals and groups. Personality psychology. This subfield delves into individual differences in personality traits, such as extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism, and how these traits influence thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Clinical psychology. Clinical psychologists focus on the diagnosis, assessment, and treatment of mental disorders. They employ various techniques like psychotherapy and medication management to help individuals cope with mental health challenges. Educational psychology. Educational psychologists apply psychological principles to improve teaching and learning within educational settings. They contribute to developing effective teaching methods, assessing learning styles, and addressing student needs. Cognitive psychology. As mentioned earlier, cognitive psychology focuses on understanding mental processes like thinking, memory, attention, and language. It explores how we acquire, store, process, and utilize information. Health psychology. This subfield examines the complex interplay between psychological factors and physical health. It investigates how stress, emotions, and behavior patterns can influence our physical well-being and how psychological interventions can promote health and recovery. Neuroscience. Neuroscience bridges the gap between psychology and biology by exploring the biological basis of behavior and mental processes. It investigates the structure and function of the brain and nervous system to understand how they influence our thoughts, feelings, and actions. By studying these diverse subfields, psychologists gain a comprehensive understanding of the human mind and its complexities, fostering a deeper appreciation for the richness and multifaceted nature of human experience. Psychology, a journey of unveiling the human mind. Psychology's journey from philosophical inquiry to a multifaceted scientific discipline has been remarkable. We have explored various schools of thought, each contributing valuable insights into the human mind. From structuralism's focus on the building blocks of mental experience to behaviorism's emphasis on observable behavior. And from cognitive psychology's exploration of internal processes to humanistic psychology's championing of human potential, psychology has continuously evolved to provide a richer understanding of who we are. The vast scope of psychology, encompassing diverse subfields like developmental, social, personality, clinical, and health psychology, highlights the intricate tapestry of human experience. By studying these different areas, we gain a deeper appreciation for the factors that shape our thoughts, feelings, and actions across the lifespan and in various social contexts. Psychology's impact extends far beyond academic exploration. Its principles are applied in numerous fields, from education and healthcare to marketing and workplace settings. By understanding human behavior, psychologists can develop strategies to improve teaching methods, design interventions for mental health, create effective marketing campaigns, and foster a positive work environment. As we move forward, psychology undoubtedly will continue to evolve. New discoveries in neuroscience, advancements in research methodologies, and emerging areas of study will further illuminate the complexities of the human mind. The pursuit of understanding ourselves remains an ongoing journey, and psychology stands at the forefront of this exploration. The depths of the mind are vast and ever-changing. Join PsychoWays on this journey of discovery. Subscribe for more explorations into the art of mind. Like this video. Don't be shy. Hit that subscribe button and give it a try. See you in next video.